Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can easily install the Garmin Messenger app for your inReach Mini 2. So first, what you guys need to do is go over to App Store or Google Play. Now click search, and now search for Garmin Messenger. As you guys can see, it's right here. Now click Get and click Install. Now let me enter the password. As you guys can see, now it's gonna install for a while. And as you guys can see, now we can click Open. And that would be it. Thank you guys for watching, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye.